Hi, I'm Kirtahi. I'm the founder of InternetBFF. So I just wanted to get on here and give you a walkthrough of our site and try to answer some questions. InternetBFF is a marketplace for small businesses in California. The goal is to connect people with local businesses in their community that are unique, authentic, and that can be from a range of things, whether it's women-owned businesses, Black-owned businesses, LGBTQ-owned businesses, and we offer a lot of features. We want to create a platform where they can actually search for the businesses that are near them. So we have a Google Maps API that connects geolocation, store tags, and all those different things to the map, where when you put in your address, the store will show up within your proximity. So it will do the same with products too. We also have a directory, and I'll show you all of that so you can kind of have a better look. Let's get started. So when you first come to the page, this is where you can see what people are buying near you. We're gonna have featured products up here. So that is one of the features. You can have ads. You can pay for ads. The top selling products will pop up here as well. So we do have a mobile app option for buyers. So customers will be able to purchase products through the app. They don't want to have to do it, through a website. Okay, so search for products. You could put in your location and you could select your categories. Here at the top left, you can see these are all our categories. Each category also has services within the categories, and then we also have digital products that we can sell too. So you can sell, I believe there's 3 categories, which is products, digital products, virtual products. You can sell affiliate products. There is the option of requesting features, such as if you want to sell subscriptions. That's something we can add for you. Our mock-up vendors are in, I believe, Orange County. So here you can see we have 2 here, and then it's going to pop up and show you. Here's another thing we can do. We have a site search, so we can search blue. All I did was type it in. I didn't press enter, and it's going to show me every item that's blue. Tailor your products with certain keywords so that it shows up. Here's the description box: shipping information, vendor information, location, other products, the warranty policy. And then if you want to ask questions or contact them, you can. So you saw the marketplace, and this is the directory. These are all our stores, all our vendors. We're going to take a look at the vendor pages. Here, I'm already following myself, but you can see we can search the product name. We can see all the products they have here. You can contact them. So if we need support, we'll put in a ticket. As for a ticket, if you need store assistance or if you need to report a problem, that is a ticket for the customers. If they need to just contact you or ask a question, then they can contact you, which would be completely different. Now, I already put in a ticket, so we're gonna go to my account page. So this is my account. This is my customer account, all right? And then support tickets. So this is where you can contact. You can ask for updates in the settings, and you can follow up. It would usually just be between you and the vendor, and then you can request to add me to it. If that makes sense. So go to our dashboard. So here's our dashboard. So you can see how many sales you get, how many page views, how many orders, and then go to your products. So these are all my products. I had 2 views on that product. Don't know why. Maybe it was me. But you can add more products, import or export. So, show you here. We can name a product. We'll do a ring light, okay? Let's probably a ring light. So there's different options. Do a variable. We can do affiliate or external. We can do a group product. A regular simple product is where you'd put downloadable or virtual. So virtual products, they're intangible and they aren't shit. Downloadable products are given access to a file. Okay, so those are the difference. Now, if you're not sending a file, then don't click downloadable. Just click virtual. If it's a class or a course or, you know, those type of things, it would just be virtual. So there's a lot that you can sell. You know, upload your photo, click your category. Like I said, we have a lot of categories. So you can see here we have art services, custom ceramics, custom posters, custom signs, collectibles, digital art. We have beauty services, so hairstyling, nail care, piercings, and then all these different things, personal care services, clothing and shoes, clothing alterations, rentals, customs, design, laundry. So there's something in here for everyone. As long as you're a California business, you need to put in as much detail as possible. So your tags would be anything from keywords and descriptive, colors, you know, all those different things. So we want to be very detailed so that when people search, it pops up. So for geolocation is asking you, where on the map do you want the store to pop up? So if your store address is in San Francisco, but you are selling this product at an event in Los Angeles, you can put that in description, right? Set the geolocation as Los Angeles. So your store is still set in San Francisco, but the product will show up in Los Angeles. So that's how you use this to your advantage. If you want to ship, you're not required to ship. So we can say doesn't require shipping. Upsells, you got other products. So let's say blue knitted shirt. Sleeveless shirt, okay? So upsell. I think upsell is good if it's done right. As long as it's relevant to the product that you're selling. Now, cross sells, that is when you promote it in the cart. Attributes, you can do attributes based off the color, the size, the model. These are the things that will show up in the filters. So keep that in mind. You can also do discounts. So if you want to do a bulk discount, you could do it based on a set minimum quantity, like if you're doing wholesaling or something like that. Your return and warranty, there is a site policy, but you can overwrite that if you have your own policy. It's not required, but you are required to abide by that policy if you do not have one in place. So that's why it's there. Minimum and maximum. So you can set a minimum quantity, a maximum, or a minimum amount. Product status, advertising. So we'll get into advertising in a bit, but that's kind of the gist of how to create a product. We have our orders, we have our coupons, so we can create coupons. The reports, so you have your details, sales by date, top selling items, top earning, and then your statement. Same with reviews. Your reviews will be there. If you're ready to withdraw, this is how you will withdraw. With PayPal or bank transfer. You must have a minimum of $20 to withdraw. And then badges will go here. You'll get badges based on different factors, such as if you're a top seller, if you're a featured seller, if you're a contributor, all those different things. Now, reverse withdrawal. So if for whatever reason there is a problem and you need to refund someone, this is where you will go. A return request will come here if people need to return their items. If you have a staff, you can add your staff to store followers. And then the packages. So here are the packages. So my profile is set on the free package. It's very basic. You can sell products on there. You get 10 products every month. You get access to the dashboard and everything. The commission fee is 10% plus 25 cents per sale. Now, we have the new friends package where you can sell 20 products in a month and your commission fee is 2% lower. You'll actually be able to get a featured advertisement in this one. And we have best friends, which is only 6% commission fee, but you get 50 products. Affiliate partner access. So if you bring on vendors, you will get commission for that. Promotional opportunities, which means if we're doing some kind of promotion campaign on social media, you'll be able to participate in that, where we'll post about your business, advertise it for like a week. BFFL, so best friends for life. That one is for the pros. I don't really recommend that when starting off unless you're already an established business. You get a lot of marketing opportunities and you get to post as unlimited products, as many products. And then we have support. We will need to discuss whatever needed to be discussed. Verification. So you can be a verified vendor if you connect your social media profile or your ID verification, your address, company verifications. Then you have store SEO. So in this section, try your best. If you don't know, it's okay. We'd be glad to help you with anything you may need. And yeah. So there are a handful of things that can be added. If you need it to be added, it can be added. So if you want to sell wholesale, if you want to sell subscriptions, have staffs on your team and they can manage the store too. Multivendor, product add-ons. So if you're doing customized products, delivery time. So do you want customers to be able to choose their delivery time and the date that it gets delivered? Do you want to be able to do auctions? Do you want people to be able to book a time? Yeah, that's about the gist of it. I hope I answered a lot of your guys' questions and more. Make sure to give us a follow, like this video, share it. Let me know if you have any other questions. And yeah, I look forward to working with you guys.